Hi, my name is Matt from Aspect Wall Art, and today I'm going to show you how to apply wall stickers using our custom personalised wall sticker name. So once you've made sure that your wall's all nice and clean, dust free, you're ready to line up your stickers. So there's two options for this. You need to use a tape measure from the straight edge down to 2 points that should be level on your design. Alternatively, use a spirit level. Again, picking 2 points that should be the same height. And once you're happy with the level, and whether it's central to where you want it on the wall, you're ready to start fitting. So as you can see, you've got your 4 tabs holding on each sticker. And I've added this piece of masking tape here. And what that is a level guide to where the top of your vinyl is and where it starts and ends. So that when you remove your backing paper, you know exactly where you've got to place it. So now that you know exactly where you're going to place them, you can take the top one off until you've fitted the back one. Place it on a flat floor. So now you're just left with your main letter, ready to be fitted. So the next job is to remove the masking tape that's holding it in the position. As you can see, your guide tape's still ready there, so we know exactly where to fit to. Okay, so what you've got is you've got 3 layers. You've got the application tape, you've got the vinyl inside, and you've got the backing layer. So what we need to do is take the backing layer off. As you can see, glides off. And I should say, you do need to be doing this on a flat surface, solid flat surface, so a floor, a table. There you go. And now you've got to be really careful because we don't want to get any dust or anything on there at all. Right, so now we're ready with the application tape with the vinyl on it. And all we're doing is we're following these guidelines. So level with the top, in the middle. Just press it down gently away from the vinyl, the actual sticker. Get your free spreader. Go across the top, and then work your way down. All the way down to the bottom. And that's it. Go over it again. And a handy tip is just to go over it with your hand. This is just in case there's any little divots, marks you need to get round. And that's it. Leave that for 10 minutes and then we're ready to peel off the application tape. So, we've waited 10 minutes, we've had a cup of tea. So we're ready to take this application tape off, revealing the nice vinyl behind it. So start in the corner, peel away. If by any chance any bits come up, all you need to do is push it down again. Remove the guide marks. Then we're ready for the wording. Same again, peeling the backing layer off. And just remember, go steady, because this bit's important. Again, if any little bits come up, simply just push them down again and carry on. Just take your time. And there you go. Again, being careful with dust and anything else. We have the lettering ready. All you've really got to be careful with at this stage is not to let it fold in on itself, because once vinyl's stuck to vinyl, it won't come off again. So again, we're following the guide marks. Top level with the top of your guide mark, and in the centre where you left the gap. Let the corners tab down. Get your spreader. Gently just do the top to get it flattened down. Then you're ready to spread across from the top and work your way down. Again, once you get to the bottom, just spread it down like that. As before, go over it with your hand, just to flatten out any bumps. And again, 10-minute wait, another cup of tea. Right, so we're now ready to remove the last of the application tape. So once again, just remove the guide tape from the sides. Again, start in the corner. You're just peeling it away slowly, taking care again. And as before, if any little bits want to come up again, simply just push them down with the application tape and carry on. This handle is keeping it flat against the wall. And there we have it. Thank you for watching our How to Apply Wall Stickers video.